If you're wondering if you can customize always on display in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. We can then navigate into the home screen, lock screen and AOD, and then there's always on display. Now when it comes to the options for always on display by default, there's not much. You can show lock screen wallpaper on always on display. You can erase the background from the wallpaper if there's a prominent object on it, and you can also enable or disable navbar that I've explained in my other video, so if you're interested you can watch it. We can also change the behavior when always on display should be actually shown. So for example, you can tap your phone when it's locked and then your always on display will pop up. So that is all of the default options when it comes to customization. You can also get additional options either by third-party apps or by going into Galaxy themes. So go back to the main page settings, select the themes, and then you'll be able to find AODs. Now some of them will have prices on it, which means you will need to pay for them. If you agree with that, just select the app, go into the payment, finalize it, and then you can download it and use it as your AOD. Alternatively, you can scroll all the way down and find free AODs and select whichever one you like and then download it and apply it. When it's applied, you can, for some of them, select clock and image, or image only. And now, as I said, there's also third-party app that you can use for AOD, and it's called Good Lock. If you want to know how to use it, I've made, or if not yet, just ask in the comments. I will make a video on how to use it to get your own custom amazing AODs. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.